What's going on, everybody? As always, it's a blessing to be here, and welcome to UL Exchange. If you guys are new to this channel, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification so you can be notified every single time I drop information-packed videos just like the one you're watching right now. By that being said, guys, today we will be speaking about Ripple XRP, of course, hearing whispers of Ripple networks, ledger technology, and going into the rabbit hole. So we will begin by the update on the 6th edition of the Regulatory Initiatives Grid. We'll also touch bases on the financial services, the Edinburgh reforms, and also touch bases on an 18-page article that came out in 2016 titled "Listening to Whispers of Ripple, Linking Wallets and Anonymizing Transactions in the Ripple Network." So many things to unpack, and shout out to everybody that's been sending me these amazing and interesting news sources. If you guys are interested to understand these news sources and get in more detail, there's a Telegram link below. So click on it, it's free, and join the group. Great members so far. You can come in there. We can talk about cryptos, ISO 222 tokens, or any other tokens that you're interested in. So just a link, click on the description, click on the link, and then come join and we can all chat. So let me just begin by the listening to whispers of Ripple and linking wallets to the Ripple net, which is the Ripple network. So this is in 2016, by the way, guys. Everything is connected. So just quick introduction. It starts off by saying, in recent years, we have observed a rather unexpected growth of IOU transactions networks such as Ripple. A pseudonymous nature, ability to perform multi-currency transaction across the globe in a matter of seconds, and potential to monetize everything. What is this generation that we're in? This is just an introduction, right? This is not a video where I'm going to dive deeply into it, but I want us to understand. What did it say in the second sentence of the introduction? Potential to monetize everything, regardless of jurisdiction, have been pro-vital to their success so far. So what does this mean? This means that using the Ripple net, using NFTs involved in it. This came out in 2016. I'm not even doing a deep dive in this video. I want to give you guys short and sweet. But just even in the introduction of the first three sentences, if you're paying attention, it literally states out that when the Ripple technology is fully integrated with the de-anonymizing transactions on the Ripple network, what can we figure out? And that is what we're looking for. The NFTs, the future of residency, the future of transport, the future of transactions, and the future, there are many things, I'm only listing 5 small things right now, and the future of any transfer of wealth, any transfer of network can be done on the Ripple XRP ledger. This is just an introduction, guys. There's many things to read, and shout out to the person that sent me this, the Ripple overview, the Ripple IOU network, and I'll put a little picture up there so you guys can see it. You guys can see Dave is sending $50 to Fanny. Fanny is sending $60 to Eve. Continues on, but Charlie's in the middle, and then he basically does everything. So XRP in the middle, and then everything will be connected through it, which means it's going to different CBDCs, but XRP will be in the middle, facilitating the transactions. So no more banks. You can consider it as a middleman, but technically there's literally nothing in between. So when we get to the data sources, we see the Ripple Public Services, Ripple Server Code, Ripple Bot, Ripple Graph, Gateways, and Bitcoin blockchain. So I just want to read a little bit from the Ripple Bot. This online tool summarizes the content of Ripple Ledger and opens it up for inspection. If it thereby becomes a valuable source for extracting information regarding Ripple transactions. So this is a Ripple Bot. Although this tool is no longer available, we used it while performing the work described in this paper. And when I told you guys when this paper was published, this paper was published in 2016. But if you look at the resources they collected, the articles they collected, it dates all the way back to the oldest thing being, the oldest research being 1951, which is on information insufficiency, the annals of mathematical statistics, testing all the networks and so on and so forth. But guys, very, very interesting read. If you're interested, join the Telegram. Of course, it's free, and then you should find it right there. So many things I can get into. It will take a long time, but I just want to nitpick a couple things just to show you guys, and that's what I did so far. So we're moving on to the financial services, the Edinburgh reforms. Again, not financial advice, guys. I'm just telling myself, basically recording it for myself and telling myself that if I was in my position right now, what will I do? And this is exactly what I'm doing. So I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything at all. I'm just telling myself in this video my own perspective. I'm just telling myself my digital perspective. By that being said, guys, take it with a grain of salt. That's all I'm going to say. Not financial advice. And we see here from the financial services, the Edinburgh reforms. On 9 December, the Chancellor of Exchequer announces a set of reforms to drive growth and competitiveness in the financial service sector. Okay, this happened this year, December 9, 2022. A competitive marketplace promoting effective use of capital. The government is taking action to maintain and build the UK's attractive and internationally respected ecosystem for financial services regulation. And then continues to talk about the issuing new remittance. It continues to talk about the reforming the ring fencing regime for banks, and the welcoming for the PRA Consulting, a world leader in sustainable finance, and all for the UK's net zero target with the carbon neutral effect, everything all leading to what? Ripple XRP. A set at the forefront of technology and innovation, working with the regulators and the market participants to trial a new class of wholesale market revenue which would operate on an intermittent trading basis, and everything will be running through XRP on it. And I'll just end it on a funny note, or a fun note. I'll put the picture up there. You guys see this picture? The Economist, down the rabbit hole, the promise and perils of decentralized finance. And this article was posted on September 18th, 2021. As you guys can see, the Bitcoin over there just hopping and dancing, the Ethereum basically going down below, and we can see the cash is basically just going down below as well. The stocks going up, the branch is just in a peaceful state, and the balance in a peaceful state. And what do we see at the bottom? The rabbit is basically waiting for the clock for it to hit a certain time, certain date, and then it should rise from the ashes, just like the phoenix. More deep dive to be covered on this channel, guys. As I told you guys, I'm hoping I finish this Kendra Hill specific video of the deep dive I'm trying to do, and it's taking me a little while. I said I was going to post it tomorrow, but we'll see. Hopefully I'll post it by Monday. It's nothing to rush. I want to make sure I get all the details correct to the best of my abilities. So by that being said, guys, what do you guys think the rabbit hole and premise means? And this was posted a year ago on September 18, again, 2021, by The Economist. Has been circling around the XRP community basically in the recent times pertaining to XRP rising from the ashes of the phoenix. By that being said, guys, I'm Crypto E with Dual Exchange. I appreciate you guys for coming in to this channel. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. The Telegram link is down in the description below. If you're interested, join the group. We can all discuss freely. No harm, no foul. We can help each other out, understand what's truly going on, so we can educate each other. By that being said, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. So, God bless. Peace out.